Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Sienna. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, starter type, motor generator, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, airbags, front passenger seat cushion, child safety locks, multifunction display, center console with lighting, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.